Welcome to today's Wild Puzzle Brain Challenge. This is a pattern crack puzzle that will test your observation, logic, and speed. Can you crack in 20 seconds? Then I will explain solution. Your task is simple. Find the answer of last row. Take a few seconds. Pause the video if you need to. And try to crack the pattern before I reveal the answer. Ask yourself, is the pattern based on addition, multiplication, or a combination of both? Don't rush. Here's a small hint. I take square of one number and then add it. You're getting closer. If find answer, then comment it. Now let's break down together. Hidden rule of this pattern. Take square of second number and then add first and third number in it. First row. Three plus square of 2 plus 5 is equal to 12. Second row, 4 plus square of 3 plus 2 is equal to 15. Similarly, we solve row 3. And now the final row. 6 plus square of 1 plus 2 is equal to 9. So the correct answer is 9. If you got the answer right, great job. Your logical thinking is sharp. If not, don't worry. Puzzles like these train your brain over time. Want a harder pattern next time? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Wild Puzzle for more brain-boosting puzzles.